Good morning, and welcome to the Leap Podcast, your concise, level-headed crypto market update from Leap Digital Investments. I'm Patrick Penn. It's Friday, the 6th of March, 2026. The crypto market has staged a notable rebound this week amid severe geopolitical escalation in the Middle East, where US and Israeli forces launched major joint operations against Iran's military and nuclear infrastructure last weekend. Iran retaliated with missile and drone strikes on Israel and regional US bases. The conflict sent oil surging near $85 a barrel and gold to new highs above 5,400 per ounce. President Trump described the actions as a major combat operation aimed at regime change, with the conflict potentially lasting weeks and Congress weighing limits on war powers. Yet, rather than deepening the prior trend, Bitcoin has at times traded differently from equities, dipping initially to sub 64,000 US dollars on panic but rebounding sharply, with some market participants viewing BTC as a 24/7 alternative digital asset during periods of global market stress. Let's leap in. Bitcoin trading around 71,000 US dollars, up 7% week over week, pushing to 1 month highs near 73,000 before a mild pullback today. Ethereum at $2,050, up 6% week on week, reclaiming ground after earlier pressure. Solana $91, up 11% week on week, leading alt recovery with strong momentum. Total market cap around 2.41 trillion, with volatility elevated but sentiment shifting with extreme fear toward cautious relief on institutional demand. Bitcoin showing price resilience during this period. Initial whipsaw lower on weekend strikes, but quick reversal as it decoupled from equities. Positive catalyst. US spot BTC ETFs turned strongly positive, with 1.1 billion plus net inflows in recent days. BlackRock's IBIT ETF pulling significant BTC, signaling long-term accumulation. On-chain metrics show reduced long-term holder selling, with short squeezes leaving some analysts eyeing 110,000 USD if momentum holds. Some bearish notes. As we're still down 50% from 2025 October highs, February closed the fifth straight red month, and broader macro geopolitical risk, such as the Iran escalation, oil disruption, threats, and Fed decisions keep volatility high. Ethereum holding gains near the $2,050 support after steeper prior drawdowns. Stablecoin supply on Ethereum jumped sharply, plus 36% year on year to 184 billion, underscoring quiet infrastructure build-out. There still remains a high correlation to BTC volatility, however, as earlier monthly outflows lingered. Solana outperforming with 11% week-on-week gains, driven by record stablecoin volumes, institutional traction via CME futures. Broader chop and correlation to majors limit near-term breakout potential, but BTC's resilience highlights how some participants are beginning to describe its role as a digital asset that trades continuously during global market events. In summary, geopolitical shock tested the market, but fundamentals continue building. Patient capital positioning quietly while headlines scream panic. In the near term, volatility persists on Iran developments, oil risk, and Fed path. If de-escalation signals emerge or inflows sustain, market activity may expand across other digital assets and rotation could broaden. Remain calm and stay informed. That concludes your market update for the 6th of March 2026. See YouTube and Spotify links for more information. Thank you for listening to the Leap Podcast.